The sonar confirms it. That's the Argonaut.
Hull integrity is critical. We need to deploy the ROV immediately.
The resolution on the 3D model is incredible.
We have a clear view of the hull breach now.
We have full coverage on the starboard propeller. Data integrity is solid. The starboard inner blade is completely sheared.
Confirmed. Mapping the structural failure now.
We can't proceed with the current trajectory. The hull won't take the stress.
We reinforce here and adjust the angle of the main lift cables.
Look at the ROV feed. That fracture is spreading. We can't risk the main lift line.
We are already behind schedule. We have to take that risk or we lose the window.
Tension exceeding limits on C-Sling. Get that ROV deployed immediately.
Roger, deploying now. Approaching connection point.
Tension is exceeding limits. The sling is compromised.
Copy. Deploying reinforcement strap now. Latch confirmed.
Hold it in there. Slow down. After clear.
We are live with the starboard scan. All parameters nominal.
Acknowledged. Data visualization is green.
The readings on the starboard side are consistent with the initial assessment.
All right, let's move to the aft section and rescan the plating.
Followed Volson. Phase 5 continued. Over weeks, the submarine undergoes a metamorphosis. Bridge followed Volson. Phase 5 continued. Over weeks, the submarine undergoes a metamorphosis.
Activating sonar array. Prepare for test ping.
Array stable. Pinging now. We have full functionality.
Power stabilizing across the board.
Sonar array engaged. Sending the first ping now.
We have a return. Systems nominal.
Item 4B, the captain's chronometer is secured.
Confirmed. Logging the entry now.
Look at this reading here. That's definitely thin.
Yes, that's a critical area. We need to mark that for replacement.
Noted. Sector 4-7?